Today we are going to learn about a quadratic equation, cubic equation and fourth degree equation, and how to form the equation and how to solve the equation. So these are the ideas in this chapter. Good morning children. We learn in plus 1 some particular equations. Now in plus 2 we are going to learn some theory about equations. So the chapter name is called Theory of Equations. See, first one. If alpha comma beta are the roots of the equation ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Listen, which is a quadratic equation. Here the x powers are decreasing, that is x square, x constant term, where x square coefficient a, x coefficient b and the constant where c is the constant term. Now sum of the roots alpha plus beta is equal to minus b by a, that is minus into plus minus b by a, minus b by a, and it is known as sigma 1. Sigma 1 means sum of the roots taken one at a time. So sum of the roots taken one at a time is said to be sigma 1. Sigma 1 is equal to sum of the roots alpha plus beta is equal to minus b by a. That is the first one minus, here minus into plus minus minus b by a. Suppose already here minus means minus into minus becomes plus. So that's the idea. So the first one is correct. And the second one, the product of the roots. The product of the roots taken 2 at a time is given by sigma 2. Sigma 2 is equal to alpha beta. Alpha beta is equal to c by a. Here minus after plus, that means plus into plus plus, so plus c by a. Now the quadratic equation is given by x square minus sum of the roots alpha plus beta into x plus product of the roots alpha beta, which is equal to 0. That is, it is of the form x square minus sum of the roots, that is x square minus sum of the roots into x plus product of the roots. Which is equal to 0. See, for example, form the quadratic equation whose roots are 3, 4, where alpha equal to 3, beta equal to 4. Use the formula directly, that is x square minus sum of the roots. Sum of the roots is equal to 3 plus 4 into x plus product of the roots, that is first factor first root 3, second root is 4, so which is equal to 0. On simplification, x square minus 3 plus 4, 7 into x, that is minus 7x. Here 3 4s are 12, so plus 12, which is equal to 0. So which is the required quadratic equation. So listen, this part is plus 1 syllabus. Now it is a quadratic equation, next cubic equation and a fourth degree equation or a plus 2 syllabus. So the first one is plus 1 syllabus, and we want to learn from known to unknown. Now listen, the second part is, first one we discussed about quadratic equation, and the next one is cubic equation. If alpha comma beta comma gamma are the roots of the equation or the roots of the cubic equation, ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d is equal to 0. Now sum of the roots taken one at a time, which means sigma 1. Sigma 1 is equal to alpha plus beta plus gamma. Here sum of the roots taken one at a time means alpha plus beta plus gamma, that is alpha plus beta plus gamma, which is equal to minus b by a. Here minus into plus minus, so minus b by a. Okay, next sigma 2. Sigma 2 means sum of product of all the roots taken 2 at a time. That is, listen the rough idea. Here sigma 1 means sum of the roots taken 1 at a time. Sigma 2 means sum of product of the roots taken 2 at a time. That means here there are 3 roots are there. Take in rough work alpha comma beta comma gamma. Now sigma 2 means sum of the roots, sum of the product of the roots taken 2 at a time, which means alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha. So listen, it is of the form cyclic order, alpha to beta, beta to gamma, gamma to alpha, that's all, which is equal to C by A. Here minus, next plus. Here plus into plus plus, so plus C by A. Plus C by A is the answer. Okay, next there are 3 roots are there. So up to sigma 3, which is equal to, here there are 2 roots, so up to sigma 1, sigma 2. Here there are 3 roots, so therefore sigma 1, sigma 2, sigma 3. Suppose if there are 4 roots, we want to consider sigma 1, sigma 2, sigma 3, sigma 4, likewise. Here sigma 3 means product of the all roots. Here 1, 2, 3, there are 3 roots are there. So taken sigma 3 means taken 3 at a time, which means alpha, beta, gamma is equal to D by A. But here listen, first minus, plus, next minus. So minus into plus, minus D by A. Minus D by A. Now the required cubic equation is given by the required cubic equation. The cubic equation is the required cubic equation is given by the formula x cube minus sum of the roots taken one at a time, that is alpha plus beta plus gamma into x square. Listen, x powers are decreasing, x square, see x cube, then x square, plus of, here the terms are alternatively plus and minus, plus, minus, plus, next term will be minus, so plus, minus, plus. Now sum of the roots taken 2 at a time, that means plus alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma to alpha, gamma alpha into x plus product of the roots, that is the product of the roots is given by the, which is sigma 3 alpha beta gamma is equal to 0. Say for example, form the equation whose roots are 1 comma minus 1 comma 2. Now x cube minus sum of the roots are taken 1 at a time, that means 1 minus 1 plus 2 into x square plus, here I told already the terms are alternative plus and minus, so plus minus plus, here minus, so minus. Now plus of sum of the product of the roots is taken 2 at a time, that is here where alpha equal to 1, beta equal to minus 1, gamma is equal to 2. So square bracket 1 into minus 1. See for example, a rough work is given by 1 comma minus 1 comma 2. Now 1 into minus 1. So 1 into minus 1 plus minus 1 into 2. Minus 1 into 2 plus 2 into 1. Square bracket complete into x. And here say plus next minus, so minus of product of the roots, product of the roots is given by 1 into minus 1 into 2, which is equal to 0. Now by simplification, x cube minus, where minus 1 plus 1 cancel, remaining 2, minus into 2 2, so 2x square minus 2x square. Okay, here plus of bracket open 1 into minus 1 and here minus 1 into 2 minus 2, 2 into 1 is equal to 2 into x minus, here minus into minus plus 1 into 2 is equal to 2, so plus 2, which is equal to 0. Here consider as a center one, here plus 2 minus 2 cancel, remaining minus 1, so plus into minus, and then your required answer is x cube minus 2x square. Here plus into minus 1 into x equal to minus x plus 2, which is equal to 0. So which is the required cubic equation whose roots are 1 comma minus 1 and 2. So the first one is a quadratic equation, it has 2 roots alpha and beta. Second one is cubic equation, it has 3 roots alpha, beta, gamma. Now next we are going to study third one is if alpha comma beta comma gamma comma delta are the roots of the fourth degree equation, are the roots of the fourth degree equation. See, if alpha comma beta comma gamma comma delta are the roots of the fourth degree equation, ax power 4 plus bx cube plus cx square plus dx plus e is equal to 0. Now, sum of the roots taken one at a time means alpha plus beta plus gamma plus delta. That is sigma 1 is equal to alpha plus beta plus gamma plus delta, which is equal to minus b by a. Minus b by a. See, where again consider minus into plus minus b by a. Suppose already here minus means minus into minus becomes plus. Here first one is minus, second plus, minus plus minus plus minus plus etc. like that. So sum of the roots taken one at a time is given by sigma 1. Sigma 1 is equal to alpha plus beta plus gamma plus delta is equal to minus b by a, where minus into plus minus b by a. Suppose already here minus means minus into minus becomes here plus. Here minus into plus minus, so minus b by a. Next, sigma 2. Sigma 2 means sum of product of the roots taken 2 at a time, which means, listen the rough work. The rough work is alpha comma beta comma gamma comma delta. Here taken sum of the roots, sum of the product of the roots taken 2 at a time, which means taking alpha and grouping with the right side all the elements. That means alpha beta plus alpha gamma plus alpha delta plus, now second element is b, that is beta. So beta is grouping with the right side remaining two elements. That means beta gamma plus beta delta. Now gamma is grouping with the right side element, that is gamma delta. Gamma delta, which is equal to, and here consider we need 6 elements, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, because out of 4 things selecting 2 at a time is given by the combination 4C2. 4C2 means 4 is reducing 3 times, that is 4 into 3 divided by 1 into 2, where 1 2 is 2, 2 2s are 4 is equal to 2 3s are 6. So there are 6 elements. Out of 4 things selecting 2 at a time. Out of 4 things selecting 2 at a time is given by the combination 4C2, and 4C2 means 4 is reducing 2 times divided by numerator 2 numbers, so the denominator is 1 into 2. So 4 into 3 divided by 1 into 2, which is equal to 6. So there are 6 elements must we need, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. And here cyclic order is not possible. See, for example, alpha to beta, beta to gamma, gamma to delta, and delta to alpha is not possible. And see, consider taking first element and grouping with all the elements in right side, all the 3 elements in the right side. Next, consider second element beta, and the beta is grouping with the right side 2 elements. Then consider third element gamma. Gamma is grouping with the last element delta. That's all. Which is equal to, see, listen, first one is minus b by a, second one c by a. C by a, and minus next plus. Here plus into plus plus c by a. So plus c by a is the answer. Next is sigma 3. It is a 4th degree equation, so up to sigma 4 we have to find sigma 1, sigma 2, sigma 3. Now sigma 3 means sum of product of all the roots taken 3 at a time, which means, see, consider the rough work. The rough work is alpha beta gamma delta. Now consider alpha beta is one group. Now alpha beta is grouping with the right side 2 elements, that is alpha beta fully considered as one group. So this group is combined with the 2 elements in right side, that is alpha beta gamma, alpha beta into gamma, that is alpha beta into gamma plus See, alpha beta is one group. It is mapped with the last element delta. That is alpha beta into delta. Alpha beta into delta plus. Now again consider alpha beta gamma delta. Now gamma delta consider as one group. So this one group is mapping with the remaining two elements in before. That is gamma delta into alpha, which means alpha into the group. Alpha into gamma delta. And beta into gamma delta. First one is alpha into gamma delta. Alpha into gamma delta plus beta into gamma delta. Beta into gamma delta, which is equal to, here we need 4 elements, 1, 2, 3, 4. And how to identify the 4 elements means, out of 4 things, selecting 3 at a time is given by 4C3. Out of 4 elements, selecting 3 at a time is given by 4C3. 4C3 is equal to, 4 is going on reducing 3 times. 4 into 3 into 2 divided by 1 into 2 into 3. Where 3 cancel, 2 cancel. So which is equal to 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4 elements is correct. Next, see first one, sum of the roots taken one at a time is given by minus b by a. Next, sum of product of the roots taken 2 at a time is given by c by a. Here minus plus. Next, sum of the roots taken 3 at a time is given by d by a. Here minus plus, next minus. So minus into plus, minus into plus, minus. So minus d by a. Suppose already here minus means minus into minus becomes here plus. Okay. Now sigma 4. Sigma 4 means taken 4 at a time. 4 at a time means alpha into beta into gamma into delta. That is alpha beta gamma delta. Alpha beta gamma delta, which is equal to e by a. Here minus plus minus plus. Plus into plus plus. So plus e by a, which is equal to e by a. That's all. Now the required fourth degree equation is given by x power 4 minus sum of the roots taken one at a time. That is alpha plus beta plus gamma plus delta into x cube plus, here alternatively plus and minus, that is important, plus minus plus, and the x powers are decreasing, x power 4, x cube, x square, x constant likewise, and plus minus plus minus plus minus etc. like that. Okay, now x power 4 minus sum of the roots are taken one at a time, alpha plus beta plus gamma plus delta into x cube. X power 4 next decreasing is x cube, minus next plus, plus of, now sum of product of the roots are taken 2 at a time, which means alpha beta plus alpha gamma plus alpha delta plus beta gamma plus beta delta plus gamma delta, bracket, here x power 4, x cube, next into x square, here there is no place, so into x square, x power 4, x cube, x square. Now next we need x term, here plus minus plus, next we need minus, so minus of, because here I have no place, so that is why I am writing downwards, so minus of sum of product of the roots taken 3 at a time, which means alpha beta gamma plus alpha beta delta plus alpha gamma delta plus beta gamma delta into x. Okay, listen, x power 4, x cube, x square, x next constant, and the terms are alternatively plus and minus, plus minus plus minus, now plus, so plus alpha beta gamma delta, which is equal to 0, which is a required fourth degree equation. Say for example, form the fourth degree equation if the roots are 1, 2, 3, 4. Then the required fourth degree equation is given by x power 4 minus sum of the roots taken one at a time, which means 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 into x cube. Next, see, plus minus, next plus plus of sum of the roots taken 2 at a time, which means given by alpha into beta. That is alpha into beta, where alpha into beta is alpha is equal to 1, beta is equal to 2. So 1 into 2 square bracket open plus of alpha into gamma. So alpha equal to 1 and gamma equal to 3. So 1 into 3 plus of alpha delta, alpha equal to 1, delta equal to 3. So which is alpha delta, delta equal to 4. So 1 into 4 plus of beta into gamma, beta 2 and the gamma is 3, 2 into 3 plus of beta, beta equal to 2 and the delta, delta is equal to 4 plus of bracket gamma, gamma equal to 3 and delta equal to 4. Complete the square bracket into x square. Next minus of alpha, where alpha is equal to 1. Let us open square bracket. 1 into beta equal to 2 into gamma is equal to 3 plus of alpha, alpha equal to 1, beta equal to 2, delta equal to 4 plus of alpha, alpha equal to 1, gamma equal to 3, delta equal to 4 plus of beta, beta equal to 2 into gamma, gamma equal to 3 into delta, delta equal to 4 into x. Next plus alpha into beta into gamma into delta equal to 0. So plus of alpha equal to 1, alpha into beta into gamma into delta, which is equal to 0. By simplification we get x power 4 minus of x power 4 minus 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4, that is 1 plus 2 3, 3 plus 3 6, 6 plus 4 10. So 10 into x cube, 10 into x cube plus of say x square term, x power 4 x cube completed. Next we need x square term, x square term. In x square term 1 2 is 2 and 1 3 is 3, that is 2 plus 3 and here 1 4 is 4, so plus 4, 2 3s are 6, so plus 6, 2 4s are 8 plus 8 and 3 4s are 12, so plus 12 into x square. Okay, listen, plus minus, next we need minus, so no, plus minus, next plus of plus minus, next plus, so plus of, taken 3 at a time. Here the first one is plus minus plus completed. Next minus of taken x square up to x square, x cube, x square is completed. Next minus of, okay. Okay, correct. Minus of, bracket open. Now x term is given by here 1 into 2 into 3, that is 2 3s are 6. So minus of 6 and here 1 into 2 into 4, that is 2 4s are 8. So plus 8. Here 1 3 is 3, 3 4s are 12. So plus 12. Here 2 3s are 6, 6 4s are 24. So plus 24 into x. Okay, plus minus. Next say plus minus plus. Plus minus plus, say plus minus, next plus, plus next minus, next minus, next plus. So plus of constant term is given by 1 2 is 2, 2 3s are 6, 6 4s are 24. So plus 24, which is equal to 0. Now x power 4 minus 10 into x cube, minus 10x cube and x square term, x square coefficient is given by 2 plus 3 5, 5 plus 4 9 plus 6, 9 plus 6 equal to 15 and 15 plus 8 23, 23 plus 12, so 25 35, so plus 35x square minus of Here is 6 plus 4, 14. 14 plus 12. 14 plus 12, that is 16, 36. 14 plus 12, 36. 36 plus 24. So 40, 60. So minus 60x plus 24, which is equal to 0. Here consider x power 4, x powers are decreasing. X power 4, x cube, x square, x a constant. And the terms are alternatively plus and minus, because we taken all the roots are positive roots. So the terms are alternatively plus and minus. So plus 2 minus, minus 2 plus, plus 2 minus, and the minus 2 plus. It is possible when when all the 4 roots are positive. Suppose 1 minus 2, 3 minus 4 means the answer will differs. It is ideal. So up to third one is completed. Listen children, before learning this chapter we need some basic algebraic formulas. Listen, the first one is, first one, we know that a familiar formula, a plus b the whole square equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. Now I want to make a square plus b square equal to something. Okay, what is a square plus b square? Bring 2ab to left side, we get a square plus b square equal to a plus b the whole square minus 2ab. That's idea. Okay, write directly. What is a square plus b square? A square plus b square equal to a plus b the whole square minus 2ab. So this is plus positive, plus comes left side becomes minus. That is, this question mark equal to a square plus b square equal to a plus b the whole square minus 2ab. I want to write directly a square plus b square equal to a square plus b square equal to a plus b the whole square minus 2ab. Okay. Now a and b are replaced by alpha and beta. So put a equal to alpha, b equal to beta. We get alpha square plus beta square equal to alpha square plus beta square equal to alpha plus beta the whole square minus 2 alpha beta. That's all. So first one. Now listen, second one. We know that here we taken 2 elements, the whole square. Now taken 3 elements. A plus b plus c the whole square equal to a square plus b square plus c square plus of 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. That is by cyclic order. Listen, by cyclic order a, b, c. Here a to b, b to c, c to a. That is a to b, b to c, c to a. A plus b plus c the whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus c square plus of 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca, where 2 is common. So 2 of 2ab, that is ab, plus 2bc, that is plus bc, plus 2ca, so plus ca, where 2 is common. A square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca, where 2 is common. Therefore 2 of a to b plus b to c plus c to a. Okay, formula is ready. Sum of the squares of 3 terms is given by a plus b plus c the whole square equal to a square plus b square plus c square plus of 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca, where 2 is common. Then 2 of ab plus bc plus ca. Okay, up to this ready. Now I want to make what is a square plus b square plus c square. So that is my aim. Now a square plus b square plus c square equal to a plus b plus c the whole square minus 2 of ab plus bc plus ca. That is, this question mark equal to the whole square minus of twice of ab plus bc plus ca. That is, let us write it directly, a square plus b square plus c square, which is equal to a plus b plus c the whole square minus 2 of ab plus bc plus ca. That's all. So which is a required formula. Now a comma b comma c are replaced by alpha comma beta comma gamma. We get by abc are replaced by alpha beta gamma. We get alpha square plus beta square plus gamma square, which is equal to alpha plus beta plus gamma the whole square minus 2 of suppose cyclic order alpha beta gamma. So alpha to beta, beta to gamma, gamma to alpha. That is alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha. Okay, which is a record formula. Again listen, first one alpha square plus beta square equal to alpha plus beta the whole square minus 2ab. Likewise, alpha square plus beta square plus gamma square is equal to alpha plus beta plus gamma the whole square minus twice of alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha. Okay, which is a second formula. Okay, now listen, third one is first we taken two elements the whole square, sum of two elements whole square. Next is sum of three elements the whole square. Now sum of four elements the whole square, which is a plus b plus c plus d the whole square equal to a square plus b square plus c square plus d square plus twice of listen the rough work. I need rough work. The rough work is we have a comma b comma c comma d. Now taking a and grouping with all the elements in right side, that is a to b, that is plus 2ab. So 2 is common, ab plus ac, that is 2ac, where 2 common, so plus ac plus ad plus 2 common, so that is 2ad, that is plus 2ab plus 2ac plus 2ad, where 2 is common. Now taking a and grouping with all the elements in right side. Now taking second element b and grouping with all the elements in right side, that means b to c, that means 2bc, where 2 common, bc, and grouping with the last element d, that is b to d, so plus 2bd, that means 2 common, therefore bd. Next consider c grouping with the last element, that is 2cd, that is 2 common, therefore cd. That's all. Now listen, say what is this question mark? Okay, listen, a square plus b square plus c square plus d square is equal to a plus b plus c the whole square minus twice of this, plus comes left side becomes minus, so minus twice of ab plus ac plus ad plus bc plus bd plus cd. That's all. So bring to left side, let us write it straight away. So this question mark equal to what? So that is my I, that is a square plus b square plus c square plus d square equal to a plus b plus c plus d the whole square minus twice of ab plus ac plus ad plus bc plus bd plus cd. That's all. Now a comma b comma c comma d are replaced by alpha comma beta comma gamma comma delta. So we get alpha square plus beta square plus gamma square plus delta square, which is equal to alpha plus beta plus gamma plus delta the whole square minus twice of alpha beta plus alpha gamma plus alpha delta plus beta, where b equal to beta, where c equal to gamma, plus b, where b is equal to beta, d is equal to delta, plus of c equal to gamma, d is equal to delta. That's all. Complete the moon bracket. Now listen, we have the formula alpha square plus beta square plus gamma square plus delta square is equal to alpha plus beta plus gamma plus delta the whole square minus twice of alpha beta plus alpha gamma plus alpha delta plus beta gamma plus beta delta plus gamma delta. That's all. So which is the third formula. Now listen, these three formulas from 10th standard algebra, here sum of the squares of two elements is equal to sum of the elements the whole square minus twice of alpha beta. Similarly, sum of the squares of three elements is equal to sum of the elements the whole square minus twice of cyclic order. Cyclic order alpha to beta, beta to gamma, gamma to alpha. Okay, here the sum of the squares of four elements is equal to sum of four elements the whole square minus twice of by grouping, that is twice of A is grouped with the right side all the three elements, that is A to B, A to C, A to D. Then B is grouped with the right side two elements, B to C, B to D. Then C is the third element, C is grouped with the last one, that is C to D, where all the terms are twice of, where 2 is common. So we get the required formula, and which is that revision. Really these three formulas from 10th standard. Children listen. To learn exercise 3.1, it is enough first three formulas and the next three formulas. That is 3 plus 3, totally 6 formulas. Now let us move to sums. Listen. First question is 7th question, which is page number 107 from exercise 3.1. The question is, if alpha comma beta comma gamma are the roots of the equation, are the roots of the equation, are the roots of the equation ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d equal to 0. Now listen the technique. The technique is there are three roots alpha, beta, gamma, and which forms a cubic equation. The cubic equation is x cube, x square, x constant is equal to 0, and we taken the coefficients are in alphabetic order a, b, c, d. X cube term, x square term, x term, constant equal to 0. Again listen the question, which is 7th question, page number 107 from first exercise. If alpha comma beta comma gamma are the roots of the equation ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d equal to 0, then find the value of sigma alpha by beta gamma, where sigma means a summation. Okay, now this question is comparing with the example 3.3, page number 105. Example 3. So these two questions we want to learn at a time. If you learn first one, no need to learn third one because similar question. Okay, now listen the third question. If alpha comma beta comma gamma are the roots of the equation, are the roots of the equation, x cube plus px square plus qx plus r equal to 0, then find the value of sigma 1 by beta gamma. So these two questions are like term, that is like questions. If you learn first one, it is enough to learn first one, and the second one is similar model. Listen here, x cube coefficient 1, x cube coefficient 1, x square coefficient p, x coefficient q, and the constant term is r. But the first question a, b, c, d, but here x cube coefficient 1, that is a equal to 1, b equal to p, and c equal to q, and the constant d equal to r. These two questions are same. Here x cube coefficient a, but here x cube coefficient 1 understood. So that is important. Okay, here let us solve first one, and the second one left as homework. Okay, listen. So listen. I will take exercise sum, and the example sum is homework left for you. Okay, the question is, if alpha comma beta comma gamma are the roots of the equation ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d equal to 0, then find the value of sigma alpha by beta gamma. Okay, first take the introduction. Here it is a question if then. So if is a conditional class question, if then. The condition is given since alpha comma beta comma gamma are the roots of the equation. So that introduction want to write. So listen, since since alpha comma beta comma gamma are the roots of the equation ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d equal to 0. Now sigma 1, there are three roots, so up to we want to find sigma 1, sigma 2, sigma 3. So first one, sigma 1. Sigma 1 means sum of the all the roots taken one at a time, which means sigma 1 equal to alpha plus beta plus gamma, alpha plus beta plus gamma, which is equal to minus b by a. For first one, minus b by a. Here say remember minus into plus minus b by a. Suppose already here minus means minus into minus becomes a plus. Okay, minus b by a. Okay, sigma 1 over. Now listen, sigma 2. Sigma 2 means sum of product of the roots taken two at a time. For this, let us consider the rough work alpha, beta, gamma, that is alpha to beta. So alpha beta plus beta to gamma, beta gamma plus of gamma to alpha, which is equal to first one b by a minus b by a, second one c by a, that is plus minus plus minus plus minus plus etc. likewise. Okay, now plus into plus plus, so c by a, which is equal to c by a, and it is a cyclic order, a to b, b, say for example alpha to beta, beta to gamma, and gamma to alpha likewise. Now there are three roots, so up to we want to find a sigma 3, that is sigma 3 is equal to, sigma 3 means a product of all the roots, that is sigma 3 equal to alpha into beta into gamma, that is alpha beta gamma, alpha beta gamma, which is equal to here first one minus b by a plus c by a, next d by a, the sign is minus plus minus, here minus into plus minus, so minus d by a. Okay, that is the first introduction is completed. The cubic equation is given, sigma 1 is equal to sum of the roots taken one at a time is equal to minus b by a, sigma 2 is equal to sum of the roots taken two at a time, that is c by a plus c by a, next sigma 3 is equal to product of the all the roots, that is d by a, where minus plus minus, minus into plus minus, so minus d by a. Also remember the technique is first one minus plus minus, like that. Okay, now we are going to see, we are asked to find sigma alpha by beta gamma. So now sigma alpha by beta gamma, which is equal to, here sigma means summation, and there are three elements, so we can use a cyclic order. Now listen the rough work. Since the three roots are alpha comma beta comma gamma, here sigma means a summation, we want to use a sum of three terms by cyclic order. Okay, which is equal to the first term as it is, sigma alpha by beta gamma is equal to the first term as it is, that is alpha by beta gamma plus now alpha to beta. Listen, alpha to beta, so alpha to beta divided by, here come to denominator, gamma to, sorry, beta to gamma, that is beta to gamma, alpha to beta, beta to gamma, gamma to delta, which is said to be cyclic order. Okay, again first one, sigma alpha by beta into gamma is equal to the first term as it is. Now you want to use the technique cyclic order, alpha to beta divided by beta to gamma into gamma to alpha. Listen, gamma to alpha plus of, next third term will be beta to gamma, beta to gamma. So gamma divided by gamma to alpha, yes, gamma to alpha into alpha to beta, that's all. So sigma alpha by beta gamma is equal to alpha by beta gamma plus beta by gamma alpha plus gamma by alpha beta. Sigma means summation. There are 3 elements are there. So sum of 3 times by using cyclic order. Listen, alpha to beta, beta to gamma, which is numerator clear. Next, beta to gamma into gamma to alpha plus gamma to alpha and alpha to beta. Okay. Now, see, the denominators are different denominators. So, we want to take LCM. The LCM is the 3 elements only repeated, alpha, beta, beta, gamma and gamma, alpha. So, the LCM is given by alpha, beta, gamma. Alpha, beta, gamma will be the LCM of the denominator for these 3 terms. Okay, now consider the first denominator. Here beta, gamma present, alpha is absent. So, beta, gamma cancel, remaining alpha. So, this remaining alpha is multiplied with the numerator. That means alpha into alpha, alpha square. Similarly, here gamma alpha. So, gamma alpha cancel. Then remaining beta. This remaining beta multiplied with the numerator. So, beta into beta, beta square. Now, alpha beta. Alpha beta cancel. And the remaining gamma multiplied with the numerator, gamma into gamma, gamma square. So, LCM alpha, beta, gamma. And I want to consider absent. Here, listen, beta gamma cancel and the remaining multiply with the numerator, we get alpha square plus of gamma alpha cancel, remaining beta multiply with the numerator beta, so we get a beta square plus of, consider alpha beta denominator, this denominator alpha beta cancel, remaining gamma multiply with the numerator, so gamma square, that's all. Now which is equal to, now already we learn 3 plus 3, 6 formulas basic. From the basic formulas, listen, a square plus b square plus c square is equal to a plus b plus c the whole square minus twice of ab plus bc plus ca. And where abc are converted to alpha beta gamma, we get, now listen, so again cyclic order, alpha beta gamma. Alpha square plus beta square plus gamma square will be of the form a square plus b square plus c square is equal to a plus b plus c the whole square minus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca, where 2 is common. So like that, where abc are replaced by alpha beta gamma. Now listen, the first one is, first term will be alpha plus beta plus gamma the whole square minus twice of alpha square, that is twice of alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha, okay, divided by alpha beta gamma, that's all, which is equal to, now come to numerator. The numerator first term is alpha, the bracket is alpha plus beta plus gamma. See, from the beginning we know that sigma 1 equal to alpha plus beta plus gamma, where which is equal to minus b by a. So the bracket is equal to minus b by a the whole square minus twice of, here alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha is nothing but a sum of product of the roots taken 2 at a time is given by sigma 2. Sigma 2 is equal to c by a. The second term is given by c by a from the introduction, divided by alpha beta gamma is nothing but taken 3 at a time, which is sigma 3, where sigma 3 is equal to d by a, that's all, okay, which is equal to, now simplification, long divide, consider the numerator, minus the whole square equal to plus, and the square comes inside, b square by a square minus 2c, 2 into c, 2c by a divided by d by a. Okay, now which is equal to, say long divide, say consider numerator. In numerator, first one a square, first denominator a square, second denominator a, comparing a square and a square will be the LCM. So a square LCM, here denominator a square cancel, that is 1, a square cancel means 1, 1 into b square equal to b square, numerator b square minus, here a square, where a and the square cancel, remaining a is multiplied with the numerator, so minus 2ca bracket divided by d by a, okay, and here sigma 3 is equal to minus d by a, so that is important, sigma 3 is equal to minus d by a and sigma 3 is equal to minus d by a, okay. Now which is equal to becomes reciprocal, listen, which is equal to the numerator b square minus 2ca divided by a square into reciprocal d by a reciprocal a by d, where minus by plus equal to minus, that is minus a by d. Okay, now one time of a fully cancel, square only cancel, and this minus 1 is multiplied with the first moon bracket, we get, which is equal to minus into minus plus 2ca. So plus 2ca and minus b square divided by here remaining a, here remaining d. So denominator into denominator, a into d is equal to ad. So which is the required answer, whose left hand side is given by sigma alpha by beta gamma, which is equal to 2ca minus b square divided by ad. So which is the value, required value of sigma alpha by beta gamma. Now similarly the second sum given as homework, here similarly you want to find a sigma 1, sigma 2, sigma 3 and the same calculation, but the difference between these two questions here, denominator beta gamma but the numerator is alpha only. Now sigma 1 by beta gamma, which is equal to sum of 3 terms, that is which is equal to 1 by beta gamma, then the cyclic order. You want to use a cyclic order, alpha to beta, beta to gamma, gamma to alpha. Similarly, we can solve this example 3. So example 3 left for you as homework. Children, listen, take a classwork note. If you possible, take a classmate note and first draw a note full of margin and listen the video one time thoroughly. And then next time also listen second time. While listening in second time, write down the basic formulas and sums in classwork note. Then prepare one time, and if you understand, then write test in rough note, then self write. And I given today one sum as example 3 as homework. Write example 3 in homework in same classwork, and take WhatsApp and send it to me. I will tell you any correction is there. Thank you.